Hello everyone, welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule. And also we handle custom requests. A key features is we provide you with a monthly progress report card. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all these practice tests are subjective for your school examination. So students, those are new book of free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir, and today I'll be teaching you the chapter Congruence. The objectives of today's class is we are going to understand the meaning of similarity, meaning of congruence, congruence of two line segments, congruence of two angles, congruence of two squares, circles, rectangles, triangles, and also we are going to learn about SSS congruency rule. So all these things we are going to study in our today's class. So let's take an example of two blades. Okay, so what do you observe in the two images? What do you observe? Can you tell me, guys? Yes. If we keep the one blade on the top of the other, they will completely overlap each other. Yes. So this is me. Hence we can say these two objects are congruent. Even the square of the chess, all the squares are congruent. Even these two designs, they are congruent. The objects of the figures which have same size and same shape are called as congruent shapes. Yes. Can you tell me the difference between similar shapes and congruent shapes? What is the difference? Yes. So can you see these two images of two equilateral triangles and two squares? Okay. So can you say they are congruent? No, they are not congruent because they should be of same shape and same size. They are of same shape but not of same size. So then we can see this as similar objects. Yes, two geometrical objects which have same shape are said to be similar. Okay, so if both shape and size are similar, they are congruent. If only shapes are similar, they are similar objects. Equilateral triangles are similar figures. Okay, so two geometrical objects have same shape and same size are said to be congruent. These two squares are congruent. They have same shape, which is the square shape, and the same dimension or same size. Yes. Can we find if two figures are congruent or not? Yes. Okay, so the first method is through superposition method. क्या करना है superposition में? Place this object on the other object. Two figures are superimposed each other completely. It means they are congruent. Superimpose मतलब एक के ऊपर एक correctly बैठ गया. Okay, so it is known as superimpose and they are said to be congruent. Now, the rail ki patri. Okay, can you tell me when two lines will be congruent? Two lines are said to be congruent when they are of, I mean to say two line segments to be clear. Okay, two line segments are said to be congruent if they are of same dimension. The line segment AB is 6 centimeter. You can say AB is congruent to CD if even CD is of same size, which same length, which is 6 centimeter. Can you tell the measure of angle in figure 2? If the angles of both the figures are congruent. Now what they are telling is figure 1 is congruent to figure 2. So this is 60. This also will be 60. Yes, two angles are congruent if they have same angle measure. Yes, so this is 60. Two squares are congruent if their sides are equal in length. Okay, so this is square. All the sides are 5. We have one more square. If all the sides of this square are also 5, these two figures are said to be congruent. These two squares are said to be congruent. Sir, square यानी कि is all sides same रहते ही है sir. Okay, so if any one of the sides are congruent or equal, they are said to be congruent. Same with the circle. When do we say two circles are congruent? Two circles are congruent if they have equal radii. Okay, singular is radii, plural is radius. This is 3 centimeter. The radius of the circle should also be 3 centimeter. Then we can say two circles are congruent. Yes, two rectangles are congruent if they have equal length and breadth. The length of this rectangle on the left is 5 centimeter. This also is 5. Breadth is 3. This breadth is also C. So these two rectangles are said to be congruent. Yes. Okay. Let's click here to solve them. Let's see what is here in this chapter. These shapes are similar. 48, 48. Okay. 48, 48, 48, 48. This is a square. This is a rectangle. 48, 44, 48, 44. Sir, दिखने में same है पर यहाँ पे अलग dimension दिया है. So these shapes are similar. No. Okay. Because they should be in the same ratio at least. 48, 48 है. तो 1:1 ratio. ये side भी 1:1 रहना चाहिए था. So then we could have said this as similar. Okay. So these shapes are similar. So 45, 45, 45. Again the same thing. So it is false. Next. These shapes are similar. Okay. देखो यहाँ पे 35, 25, 42, 30. Yes. Now this we need to solve this to understand what is the length of this triangle is 35. What is the length of this triangle? 42. What is the breadth of this triangle? 25. What is the breadth of this triangle? 30. ये दोनों छोटे हैं, ये दोनों बड़े हैं. Yes. Now take the ratios. 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 44, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Both are in the same ratio. So we can say these are similar objects. So my answer is true. And it is the right answer. Now, these shapes are congruent. Okay, congruent means all the dimensions should be equal. Here we have 61, here we have 61, here we have 36, here we have 36, we have 47, we have 47, we have 34, we have 34. Even the two angles are equal. Okay, now if you flip this, you get the same quadrilateral. So this is congruent means all dimensions and the shape should be same. So this is true. Next. So these shapes are congruent. Okay. Check this out. 48 is there, 40 is there, 60 is there, 60 is there. Opposite to 60, 90 is there. 36 is there, 36 is there. So this is true. Yes. These two shapes are congruent. Okay. Now 61, 61, 61, 61, 69, 69, 69. Angles are same. So congruent means what? Same shape. Shape is there. Even the dimensions should be same. Dimensions are not same. This is 61. This is 69. So it is similar, not congruent. So are these shapes congruent? No. Okay. Last problem. The shapes are similar. Similar means it should be in the same ratio. Now देखो यहाँ पे this side is equal to this side is equal to this side and this side. So both are isosceles triangle. Shape is similar. So now we need to prove them. क्या पूछे? Did they ask congruent? Are they same shape similar? Yes, they are similar. Okay? कैसे sir? कैसे sir? देखो यहाँ पे. Check out 28 by 21 and check out 12 by 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. 4 by 3, 4 by 3, दोनों same है. So these are similar triangle. So instead of 12 में अगर इसको 14 कर देता ना, so this would have neither been similar also because they should be in the same ratio. Sides should be in the same ratios. So this is true. Yes. So we have solved all the problems, right? Yes. Now what is a triangle? Triangle is a geometrical figure having three sides, three vertices, and three interior angles. The triangle has three sides ABC, has three angles, angle B, angle C, angle A. Okay, when can we say two triangles are congruent? Two triangles are said to be congruent. Okay, if three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of the another triangle. These three sides should be equal to the respective three sides, then we can say these are congruent. Three angles of one triangle are equal to the three angles of the another triangle. Okay, yes, ये दोनों मिला के सिर्फ एक नहीं, if only three angles they may be similar. Okay, so symbolic representation of congruent triangles is like this. This is the way to represent congruent. कैसे लिखते हैं सर congruent? बोले तो इक्वल टू साइन लिखना है और ऊपर एक ऐसा करना है. Okay, so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, so minimum three quantities, okay, we will learn in the upcoming classes. If they are same, you can say the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so the representation means A is to P, B is to Q, and C is to R. This representation taken in this order, the triangle is congruent. How to prove or verify if two triangles are congruent or not? Okay, so let's play a game. Param is asked to draw a triangle. He draws the following triangle. So 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 7 centimeter का एक triangle draw करता है. Now Param have to give some hints to Anju such that he will make a congruent triangle to Param's triangle. Hint: the length of one side of the triangle is 5 centimeter. Is this enough for Anuj to make the triangle congruent to Param's triangle? No. If he gives एक लेंथ 5 सेंटीमीटर है, दूसरे लेंथ कितने भी हो सकते हैं, right? So that won't help us. Now, with the measure of one side, Anuj can make any triangle which of some which are given below. Okay, कौन सा भी ट्राइंगल बना सकता है. 5 सेंटीमीटर बोल दिया, 555 कर सकता है, 569 कर सकता है, 587 कर सकता है. Okay, hint: the length of another side of the triangle is 4. Can Anuj make a congruent triangle with this information? Third side hai, we can vary the third dimension and make any triangle. Okay, hint: the length of the third side of the triangle is 7. Can Anuj make a congruent triangle? Now yes, so all the three sides are given, so we can make a congruent triangle. Yes, now Anuj know that the length of all the three sides of the triangle. Now we can make a congruent triangle required. Since we know the lengths of all the three sides, we can make a congruent triangle. Yes, so minimum requirements. What do we conclude in this game? So the condition for congruence is SSS rule के हिसाब से side, which stands for side. The three sides of a triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. I'll read this again. If the three sides of the triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. तीनों sides ये triangle के same है, ये triangles compare किए तो, so we can say this triangles are congruent. This side and this side are equal, this and this are equal, this and this are equal. Yes, now let's solve this. Check whether the two triangles are congruent or not. If yes, write the congruation relation in the symbolic form. Now see here, AB is equal to PR, so this side is equal to this side. BC is equal to RQ, this side is equal to this side. And CA is equal to QP, so this side is equal to this side. The corresponding sides are equal, so these two are congruent. Yes. In the given figure, if PS is equal to QR, PS is equal to QR, okay, and PQ is equal to SR, then find the congruent triangles. देखो यहाँ पे there are two triangles here. In triangle PSQ and triangle RSQ. PS is equal to QR, PQ is equal to SR, and QS is equal to QS, the common side. Okay, so all the three sides are equal. All three sides are equal. लिखना है all three sides are equal. Therefore, triangle PSQ is congruent to triangle RSQ. Got this? Okay. Yes. Okay. So देखो यहाँ पे थोड़ा चेंज है. P is this. ओके फिर पी एस क्यू लिखा है, फिर हम यहाँ पे आर क्यू एस लिख सकते हो. ओके आर क्यू एस बिकॉज दिस विल कोइंसाइड विद दिस विल कोइंसाइड विद दिस. ओके सो आर एस क्यू भी लिख सकते हैं और आर क्यू एस भी लिख सकते हो. यस. If the area of a circle is 154 meters square, what will be the radius of the congruent circle congruent to the given circle? If the area of a circle, एक circle है उसका area कितना है 154 meter square है, what will be the radius of the circle congruent to the given circle? और एक circle है which is congruent to this circle. Find the radius of this circle. Radius of this circle is same as the radius of this circle. Area is given by pi r square. So 154 is equal to 22 by 7 into r square. Find r. That's all, which is 154 into 7 by 22. Now, मुझे पता है, since I'm a Vedic math teacher, this is divisible by 11. So 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. R square is equal to 7 into 7 or 7 square. R is equal to square root of 7 square. R is equal to 7 meters. The radius of the congruent circle is 7 meters. This is the answer for that. That's all for today. So what did we learn? We learned all these things. So meaning of similarities, okay, meaning of congruence, congruence of two line segments, two angles, two squares, two circles, two rectangles, two triangles. And also we studied SSS congruence rule. In the upcoming classes, we will learn more congruence rules. Yes, so that's all for today. So students, those are new, if you have liked my today's class, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone.